Hello, this is another tutorial that I wanted to make for those who are a bit confused how to use the calendar and to set up a view that is going to be helpful so that you can see everything nicely. So once you log into the Timely, it depends what the first screen is going to be. So this one is actually fine, but for some of you it may look like this. So it's really chaotic, it's not very helpful. So the deal is, you have this option here on the left, upper left corner, then in the middle, and on the top right corner as well. So these are the three most important options. You can choose either my name, because I'm making the bookings. You can either choose all the rooms, you can see here the names of all the rooms, and then you can choose each room that you would like to see what's available, what's free. So if we start with this, you can choose here on the right side, you want to see a specific day, and that means the date that you can choose here. What date are you interested in to see for that room of availability? So if it's the 1st of February, then for example you can see here the booking. Then if you click on it, you will see who has booked it. This is the customer details or whatever group it is, which room it is, what's the date, what's the time of the beginning of the booking, and for how many hours. And here you can see from 2 to 4, for example. The downside is here you don't see the name of the customer, for example, or of the room, because the room is here. But some things you can change, some things you can't. So this is for the week to see, and here you can choose the week, whatever the week is, and also for the whole month. And this is only for one room. Now, this is the best thing that I'm using. So you have overview of all the rooms. The downside is you can see only my name and the time. You don't know who booked it, basically. So you have to click on this to know who booked it. And for example, here are toddlers who are using the room for that time. Don't pay attention for the different colors, but basically it's the same for the same booking, the different services. Now, in this view, when you have all the rooms, you can only go to a specific date and see that. You can't change here for a month or for a week. So have that in mind also. And then the third option is if you click on my name, then again, you can see all the bookings for a day, and then you can see who has booked it, what time it is, but you don't know which room it is. So you have to click again on the booking, and then you can see here resource, Pine room, for example, is being used. Now in this view, if you choose my name, you can look at the day and then choose a specific date, or you can look at the week, what's booked in a week. This is a bit chaotic. And you can look for a month, and this is for all the month. For example, the 31st of January, these are all the bookings on the 31st. So again, I would suggest to use all, because the overview is the best. Then you just go here on a date that you're interested in, and the only thing is you have to click here to see who's got the room, for example, if you want to see something like that. So hopefully this is a little bit better and easier to use for you. If you have any questions, suggestions, critique for the program, or whatever, please don't hesitate to tell me that, and then we'll try to improve whatever we can. Thank you.